Ja, scheelt. Oh. Hij kan wel stilzitten. My name is Koos Meijer. I founded KM Human Factors and Somnoblue, and both companies maximize human potential by enhancing the efficiency of sleep and reducing fatigue. So you arrive at work more happy, more energized and healthy. I started it because of a personal problem. I worked offshore night shifts and experienced very high fatigue levels. I was very tired at work, my concentration was low. And I thought, yeah, I want to solve this problem. I came up with a method during my master's in psychology. I found out of a method that was applied by NASA, and I wanted to invent a similar method for the Dutch offshore oil and gas industry. First breakthrough from a company was the Dutch military. They were open to try it at their soldiers, land force and air forces. And because of that, other industries became interested as well. Because if you're less tired, you are less prone to make errors. It's more safe and productive and healthy, of course. The entire method is a holistic approach, focusing on stress, focusing on sleep hygiene, focusing on nutrition, and also awareness about sleep. In essence, we human beings operate in a technical environment, and if you make sure that the rest efficiency goes up, you are more capable of interacting with your environment and with your colleagues and with your equipment, for instance. We use special glasses that eliminate the negative effects of blue light on the biological clock. So if you use the glasses right before you go to sleep, it will enhance the efficiency of your sleep and reduce fatigue levels. One of the clients, he said, I haven't slept as well and felt this energized in 30 years. That makes me tick. So far I work for top sports, also consultancy companies, law firms, and also more on the healthcare sector now. And oil and gas, of course, is my main business. Yeah, my final goal is to reach Red Bull Racing, Max Verstappen, to train the whole team, but also the mechanics, not just a driver. But if the whole team sleeps more efficient, is less prone to fatigue, yeah, they will get more points. And reaction times is key, and there is no room for errors in these industries. So the workshops involve every element related to sleep and fatigue, so that you can sleep better, be more energized and active and happy at work.